Coin shop owner says people just don't want to hold silver. We have the third week running of silver gaining momentum, moving up in price, but people are not buying. Here's what's happening on your local level. Oh, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Click that link. Take home that silver. Now, check this out. This is a great example of what's going on in the silver market. This is from bulliondata.com. And they're looking at sales for the Perth Mint. Very popular products. I'm a sucker for Perth Mint. Look at this. If you look full year from 2024, it's a decline of 34% year over year for silver sales. Look, February 2025, 52% decline year over year. The shocking part for your local dealer is silver is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Gold shot up to its record high. It's still staying up there. Silver is slowly moving up. That's what it's supposed to do. That's the history of silver. It gets pulled up by gold slowly, but it moves up. The second part that silver is doing, which it should do, is it's gaining momentum in this season. We're entering July. This is the season where silver price starts to move up. We're going to head to 37. Everything is put in place to move beyond $37 an ounce, get to $30 an ounce. We should see the fear of missing out crowd jumping in. We're not. That's the shock that dealers are starting to swallow. We're not seeing that fear of missing out crowd. Historically, people who are not stackers like you and I, people who just casually hear about the performance of silver, suddenly their ears perk up when silver gets momentum like we're having these past 3 weeks, and they jump in. And that gives even more of a wave for silver to move up in price. It's not happening. What is happening is people are still cashing out their silver at a record pace. Dealers are really feeling like a bank. They're giving out cash constantly. They already had a year of giving out cash. Remember, the past 8 to 10 months, silver was hovering at $32 to $33 an ounce. People were cashing out then, feeling like silver was dead. Now we see, no, silver's not dead. In fact, it's doing what it should do. We've got the momentum. It's moving up. Where are the buyers? That's what your local dealer is wondering. People are still coming in to cash out. Where are the buyers? So they're really stuck. Remember, your local dealer, he's getting by on those thin premiums. What, at most $2 an ounce? That's what they could scrape off of silver. It's really a tough gig for the local dealer. And that's exactly what they're going through. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. This is a great contest. It's free. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. 20 eagles. Click that link. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.